What happens when PSLF forgives your debt? Applying forgiveness. If you are working in public service and have been making your student loan payments, you may be wondering what happens when the Public Service Loan Forgiveness Program forgives your debt. This program is designed to help those who dedicate their careers to serving the public. So, let's break down the process and what it means for you. First, the Public Service Loan Forgiveness Program forgives the remaining balance on your federal direct loans after you have made 120 qualifying monthly payments. To qualify, you must be employed full-time by a qualifying public service employer. This includes government organizations and certain nonprofit organizations. These payments must be made under a qualifying repayment plan, often an income-driven repayment plan. This type of plan adjusts your monthly payment based on your income and family size, making it more manageable. When your loans are forgiven, the remaining balance is canceled. This means you no longer owe that amount, which can be a huge relief. One important detail is that the amount forgiven is not considered taxable income. So, you will not have to pay federal income tax on the forgiven debt. To apply for forgiveness, you need to confirm that your loans are eligible federal direct loans. If you have other types of federal loans, like federal family education loans or Perkins loans, you will need to consolidate them into a direct consolidation loan. You also need to work full-time, which generally means at least 30 hours per week for a qualifying employer. After that, you must make 120 qualifying payments while employed by these organizations. It is essential to submit the employer certification form periodically. This form verifies your employment and tracks your payment count. You can submit this form electronically through the PSLF help tool, which makes the process easier. Once you have made 120 qualifying payments, you can submit your application for forgiveness. The Department of Education will review your payments and employment history to confirm your eligibility. Once approved, the remaining balance on your direct loans will be forgiven. However, it is important to continue making payments and working for a qualifying employer until you receive official notification of forgiveness. Here are some practical points to keep in mind. Only payments made after October 1, 2007 count toward the Public Service Loan Forgiveness Program. If you have served in the military, that service counts as qualifying employment. If you have multiple direct loans, consolidating them can simplify the forgiveness process. This way, you can have all your loans forgiven at once after making 120 payments. Regularly submitting the employer certification form is also a good idea. This helps you track your progress and avoid any surprises along the way. Income-driven repayment plans are recommended because they often set payments based on your income, making it easier to manage your payments over the 10-year period. In essence, when the Public Service Loan Forgiveness Program forgives your debt, your remaining federal direct loan balance is canceled tax-free after you meet all program requirements. This program is designed to support borrowers working in public service by providing a clear path to debt relief after a decade of qualifying payments.